This is the Billionaire Challenge episode 9. A moment that I suffered from $4,000 trading losses and turn it positively to $14,000 profits a full moon pace. Also, I'm enjoying the unique full moon ceremony in Bali. So today is 12:55 p.m. 22nd October. Gold just gave me a huge surprise. Last night, after I took my profits, I did some average, right, as you can see before, and I have decided to take it all. Take a look into my screen. Let me show you. Why did I take my profits when I bought it around 1921, 1923? So I took it in the midnight. It's about $1,000, something like that. Okay, let me show you. When I put the trend line in the 15-minute chart, I saw that the price went up, and what happened, there was a red or black candle, which is not good. That's why I tried to exit first. I know gap in 1907 or 08 wasn't closed yet, and it's become a trap for me. Okay, let me put the line over here that you can see. There you go, 1908. So I guess the price will go to the gap first, and I got 4,100 minus for now. I put 5 lot sell. I'm waiting for this price to go to 1908 at least. This is really bad. It's really like surprising. The Mercury retrograde normally is not like this, but I'm still hoping the gold will rise higher. Okay, let me put you back to trading view. You can see the chart here. Let's move back to the yellow box. If you still remember the yellow box. Okay, there you go. This is the yellow box. This is the Mercury retrograde cycle period. You can see here the green candle is really strong yesterday, and now we have the red strong candle inside yesterday trading range. It means the price is just moving around the sideways area, but with the wide range around 150 pips, right? And the price indeed hit 1930. So, according to the chart on my broker, the MRG Premier, 90% of the gap will be closed. I don't know why, but it's keep happening for the past 10 years. But I cannot see any gap in TradingView with the Oanda data feed. My broker directly to the Saxo as a liquidity provider. Okay. But for now, yeah, there's no liquidity at all. The price is just moving sideways. Nowhere. What I can do now, so I'm just waiting. At least I can just take that 5 lots first, right? 1908. Then I will buy another gold after the gap close. Another 5 lots, and let's see. I still have a confidence that 1950 will be hit by gold. But for now, yeah guys, I have to relax in this bathtub to handle this mentality. I have to accept that 4,000 loss now, the floatings. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but let's take this way. I'm gonna wait until the price back to the gap. Close my sell position, and then buy at the bottom, and I will set 1950 as the target price. Okay, after this I'm going to another beach. It's not really good to have a little holiday like this with the floating loss 4,000, but at least I still have 125,000 equity. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Alright, so stay with me guys.
Welcome back, guys, to the Billionaire Channel new episode. This is very special episode because I'm still in Bali. As you know, previously gold had moving sideways at the end of the Mercury retrograde, and this episode, October the 31st 2020, I'm going to take you to the full moon ceremony by the Pyramids of Chi. I have been set up for this event. It's really great. I've never been there, and let's see what we can learn from that event, learn more about the full moon, about the vibration. As we know that all the planetary vibration has a significant impact to the market, and this time let's see what the planetary, especially the moon cycle, the full moon pace, can impact the gold market. In this episode, we're going to talk more about the turning point caused by the full moon cycle in gold market or even in the stocks market. So now is 3:27 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. I'm preparing myself to go to the full moon ceremony. It's about 90 minutes from now. I'm here in Hotel Mulia, this very nice resort. We're going to Ubud in Bali. It's about 90 minutes driving. Hopefully we can still make the time, and let's see. Okay, stay tuned and let's see the ceremony. Subscribe and share to the others. The Pyramid of Chi is the best place to visit for meditation practice and enjoy sound healing with the full moon ceremony. Today, I reserved full moon ceremony session by online and getting ready to visit their place. I live in Mulia Hotel, Nusa Dua, Bali, and that will take 90 minutes to Ubud. On the way to Ubud, you will very unique forest monkey. There are so many monkeys on the road and people love them. This is the place that you can find monkeys on the street, guys. Okay, so after 1 hour driving, we're arriving in Ubud. I'm still looking for the place. It's about another like 4 kilometers from the destination. The road is so scary. After 90 minutes of driving, finally here we are in Pyramid of Chi, a very nice place, tranquil, and I think I cannot wait any longer to get a meditation here. Alright guys, finally we arrived at the Pyramid of Chi. It's really new experience, and I'm gonna take you to the full moon ceremony and let's see what we can learn from this event after 1 hour and 20 minutes driving, I think. We just parked the car and let's go. The full moon ceremony started at 5 p.m. and we're a little bit late, like 10 to 15 minutes late, but it's okay. I think everybody's still there. Not many cars today during the pandemic. Okay, I'll take you in, just wait for a while. Hi. Great. Yeah, it's very great. So this is the Pyramid of Chi.
Billionaire Challenge.
Before the full moon ceremony begin, we have a short education, get some refreshment, and show our gratitude to the Mother Nature in a circle formation. Okay, so we're waiting for the event to start and I'll take you around. This is the Buddha statue. I think it's pretty nice place and so unique. I definitely want to try again here to find another service. And that's, wow. I think we're very close to the opening ceremony. That's the pyramid. I think a lot of rooms over there. The session in progress, if you can see there. And after the event, we're gonna sit over here, have a dinner, and let's talk about the gold. Okay guys, you already seen the pyramid, and I think the event is almost start. After that, we're gonna sit here and talk about the gold market. Okay, so let's see the event. Enjoy. Hey yo, so Johan is here finally.
What's up, guys?
Okay guys, we are about to start. I cannot use camera when I'm inside the pyramid, but if you can see there, that's fire ceremony is starting, and people get blessing like that from the water. Okay, so I will do my best to get some footage inside, but I cannot record all the ceremony.
Now we walk down to the pyramid, and at this pyramid gonna lay down and enjoy the beautiful sound while we're doing the full moon ceremony.
Alright guys, here I'm back. What was happening inside the pyramids? It was like 1 hour meditation while you lie down on the mattress. It's a really great experience. So if you like to do a meditation, I really recommend this pyramid of Chi in Bali for you. Okay, so basically the idea of this place is they put us inside the pyramids. They built the pyramids based on the sacred geometry ratio. As you know, we also use the Fibonacci numbers, and the Egypt already owned that pyramid since like 1,000 years before. They believe that they have very strong energy inside that geometric relationship, and you know, scientifically they also prove that inside the pyramids they have like 52 degrees base. It has a very strong energy from the sun came to that the top of the pyramids going down. Okay, it give you like electromagnetic energy. Then when people coming into that pyramid, that even stronger. Okay, that will strengthen all people inside the pyramid when they do the meditation, because when you do the meditation and you give a positive affirmation, you give a vibration from your brain, because the key is the vibration, right? Then the vibration inside that, the pyramids will join each other and strengthen everybody inside. And they use the sound from a lot of the gong, then the flute, and a lot of traditional and acoustic sound for doing a healing of our chakra. Okay, it's really great. Like the singing bowl, if you know, the singing bowl is really helpful to give you more relax, because it touch your frequency, touch your energy around the body. I really need this, and I believe that you will love meditation like this. So why they make this full moon ceremony together with the meditation? Because the idea is when the sun and the moon align in an opposition degree, the aspect, right? There is a very strong energy that we as a human in the earth can get a benefit of it. So basically, when you do the meditation inside the pyramids, what happened was the full moon will come into that pyramid, and as the electromagnetic frequency or wave will give you a better state of psychological. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. I want to get all my energy, all my vibration become better and better, because the key of success is if you can set your vibration, your self vibration, into a positive one. Especially if you want to make money in trading, you have to set your vibration into that point. It's like I give you affirmation. If you learn about the NLP, this really work. Okay, we're gonna think about, let's say I want to earn $100,000 a year from trading, then I can have a better life. So if you set that mindset, if you set that vibration, that will help you in trading. But before you can set that, you need to learn how to meditate, how to taking care of your psychology, your mental, your state. Okay, So that's the idea. Really great, because previously I have a knowledge. I know how our brain works. So surprisingly, I finally found this place and really amazing. All right, so that's it. And tonight is the full moon. After this, I'm going to have a dinner, and then we're gonna talk about what full moon will give an impact to gold market. I'll show you how full moon has a beautiful relationship with gold. Then statistically, I already proved it in my dissertation for my doctoral degree. Okay, but you can very easy to see that gold has very strong relation with the full moon, because the energy, the frequency of gold meets with the full moon. Alright guys, so here we are in Batubara, Ubud. Argentina steak is really great, people say. That's a firewood steak. So I will have a dinner here, and let's see the menu. I'll show you, and after that I'm going back to the hotel and we talk about the market, okay? Alright guys, beautiful day. After the full moon ceremony, I took a break for several days, and now I am in Candi Dasa, Karangasem, Bali. What a beautiful, lovely day over here. A blue sky, and that is my villa in front of the beach. And now, about 4 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. I'll take you to the restaurant, just a beachfront, and we're gonna talk about the full moon effect for gold, okay? And after that, we jump into the analysis, and then the 3rd of November, that will be the USA presidential election. That will give a very, very volatile in the gold market. I don't know whether or not I'm gonna jump in and trade, but as you know, this is the first week of November 2020. The US election, the end of Mercury retrograde, we just had a full moon cycle, and also the non-farm payroll is like we come together for gold. So considering this, I may not trade gold for a moment. I'm looking for non-US dollar pair, maybe the pound Aussie or pound yen. Let's see what kind of opportunity that we can get in this episode. Okay, so let's go to the restaurant. I'm looking for my late lunch actually, and then I'll show you. We're gonna talk about the full moon effect. All right, let's go. Now is the 3rd of November, 2 p.m. As we planned before, that gold will be moving, heading to the north, and then meet the resistance and drop, as I published in the A Club. So this is the major resistance. We're waiting for this. Now it's 30 minutes chart. It looks like gold drops, and I enter about 5 lots over here. Now it's starting down. Okay. Also, I have sent the new signals to A Club. Sell trade 1890 to 92, stop loss 80 pips. Take profit still open. The EMA 90 of the 4-hour, meeting with the classic resistance over here, will bring gold at least to 1880 for now. And let's see what's gonna happen next, okay? So yeah, it's very weird. I'm just on the beach now, and I bring the laptop and the little table here. We're gonna talk about the full moon and the new moon cycle. As you know, all the tides in this ocean, we're talking about the impact of the moon, right? And we learned that on primary school. It's kind of weird. If you see the wave of the sea, Ralph Nelson Elliott talking about the Elliott wave, he got inspiration from the ocean wave. There is little wave become like a bigger wave, and you know the low and high tide impacted by the moon, new moon and the full moon, and we found that the prices has a correlation with that. A lot of theses you can find on Google regarding how the moon will impact to the investor behavior, the trader behavior. And now I'm going to show you the full moon and new moon impact to the gold market. So let's take a look to the chart for now. I'm using the trading view. Just put a full moon and new moon pace indicator in trading view on the XAU USD. That's the gold to US dollar, right? Now, if you take a look to the indicator, you know, this is the black one. It should be the full moon. We got a full moon on the 30th October last time. Okay, this is the indicator of daily chart. So when we're looking for more specific dates, I combine between the full moon and the new moon. You will see the turning point. I'm using the full moon first. It's not 100%, but you can see like a major specific turning point is caused by the full moon cycle. This is also the turning point by the full moon cycle, right, and this nothing works in the middle. That's actually in gold. I found that actually happen and can be a major cycle reversal, while the sun transits to very specific zodiac. Okay, even in my doctoral dissertation, I found that the full moon and the new moon cycle has a very significant based on the chi-square. The p-value is less than 0.05. It has very strong correlation with the turning point on gold. Even though that's not 100%, but statistically it's significant. As you can see, the turning point made here is also made here. So how about the new moon cycle? Okay, and I put this into the new moon cycle. This is also turning. Okay, and this is sideways, doesn't move at all. This is turning. This is also turning. This is exactly amazingly turning. This is -1 turning. This is turning. Wow, this is amazing. So based on our visual observation in the chart, we can see that the new moon cycle has more significant impact to the gold market. Okay, so this time we are looking for the full moon impact, since we know we just got a full moon and we got a reversal on the latest full moon on the 30th October, the price bottoming and going up. That's amazing. Okay, that's number one, price bottoming. Let me put that on the 4-hour chart. There you go. This is the 4-hour chart. The 30th is around here. So you know that after price tumbled, then making a new bottoming, it's going up, and now we're looking for the next price direction. If you can see, this is the trend line of bearish. It means gold still moving in the bearish trend, the short-term bearish trend. The price rallies as a correction, hit the trend line, make an engulfing candles. So we expect the next price movement will be down like this. Okay. At the other hand, I'm using the vibration. We see on the Venus planet vibration. I just block all the numbers here to make sure that you are not just using all the numbers randomly and made a mistake and finally lose the money. Okay, so let's cover that and just focus on the numbers that I'm looking here. That will be November 5, the 5th of November. Okay, so I'm selling gold now, 5 lots 1891. As you can see in the previous videos, I have explained this to the A Club members, and they jump into a sell trade as well. So I put my sell position this time 5 lots. Okay, you were looking when I clicked the button right before, and now we talk about it. So this is the 30 minutes chart. As you know, the whole upside movement in this part is this upside movement in the 4 hour, and we expect the price will drop to at least 1875. So I put 5 lots here. Then in the 30 minutes chart, we can see there is a base over here, and we expect the base breaks down, the price will go down, and we can see there is the demand level around here. So I just put my take profit, initial take profit, 5 lots, 1881, and after that I may want to re-enter on the gold, and let's see what's gonna happen next. But for now, the full moon cycle does work to the gold market better on the new moon cycle. So we got a bottoming, we wear the gold up, and I'm using the Venus heliocentric cycle, okay, to find the next turning point, and we believe the 5th of November will be the next turning point. This could be like -1 or +1, it's fine. And we're 1 day to the United States presidential election. The market will be more volatile, so I'm not looking for like holding this position like more than 2 days. Or maybe I will kind of get like 1 day and 100 pips or 150 pips. I enter about 5 lots, maybe I'm gonna add another 5 lots. So $7,500 or $500 will be my target this time. Okay, while the price is going down, as you can see, hopefully we can start making money here. Meanwhile, I'm enjoying my life here in the beach through the Billionaire challenge. So stand by for the next update, guys. Now it's turning positive now, $200 with the commission is now $95, $40, and I hope gold drops significantly. Yep, you can see now 150, 160, $200 now. Wow. Wow, that's a live trade, guys, live trade. Wow, all right. So it's really enjoy, right? Live trade on the beach like this. Okay, $500. Boom. Gold's drop. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's amazing. Okay, let's make an update in the A Club. I got a lot of chat here. All right. Okay, let's put it here. Gold down. Don't forget to set a break even at 50 pips running. Okay. Alright. And there will be my platinum membership program. That's 1 year, so let me update that. So this is like a real-time experience, guys. I cannot see the screen clearly. Okay, it's too dark. I'm just under the sun now. Boom. Alright. Oops, where's that? Yep. So real life trading, live analysis, live trading signals. I hope you can learn how I enter the market. Now 1889, $560, 5 lots. So if this become impulsive breaks out from the consolidation, is really great. $600 running, 650, 660, then all the way down to the first 100 pips, that could be $5,000. That's at least for our initial target. Let me see on the other chart. Okay. All right, guys. So let's see what's gonna happen next. Stay tuned with me. Subscribe. Wow, $800 now. Wow, let's keep running. Let's keep running. 900. Boom. 1988. 950. 950. If you can see the screen. All right. Let's see. I hope you can see the screen clear. $1,000 now, $1,000, $1,100, boom. Okay, so at least for this segment, you know, $1,000 in hand, 20 pips, just very quick trade. Okay, let's get another update after this. See ya.
All right, guys, this is the beautiful morning, November the 4th, 10:46. I just woke up because last night I was looking to the election, and now it's about $18,000. Oh, gold rising significantly. Okay, after I enter in the afternoon, the gold rose like hell, but I still believe it will go down eventually. So I hold the position, and the daily trend line is still on. When the price hit the trend line, as you can see there, it's going down. So that's what I really waited for. So I'm opening the 5-minute chart. I do little speculation when there's a false break here near the trend line, right? I sold at the 1912 or something around here because this breaking the trend line, and I know the price is already hit like daily trend line. Then it's suddenly in the morning because of the election. I'm not sure what's the result of the election. I don't think it's starting yet. The final numbers. Let's see. Trump election. Yeah, it's still not done yet. But the Florida, Trump got it. So that's the key of the states. If Trump if Trump can take the Texas, then Florida and Pennsylvania, that's the key that Trump gonna win. That's why gold drops like crazy. Okay, so that's for now. It's that's floating around 20 to 17,000, around that. Now it's become 15,000. Let me take this as a break even for a while, but I still have like the up position 16,000. Alright, so I may want to take this. The gold is still rising like this. Okay. Alright, what I really need now is just waiting, just to make sure that it can go down even lower. If you see the H4, it definitely can go even lower because this is just like one engulfing candle over here. So let me add one more lot. I didn't realize that 10 minutes will be the next. So I was enter 1891. So it's almost the same price. Okay, 10 minutes to go. That will be a changing of the 4-hour candle, and the next will be the new 4-hour candle. Hopefully that will go down to here 1873 because there is a base formation. We're looking for that. Okay, let's see. Alright guys, so welcome back after so many crazy trading movement on gold. I made $17,000 by selling 8 lots, but I had to take this $11,000 minus, and it's another losses, and finally my capital back to 127,000. Then what happened next? Gold rose significantly. I don't know what happened with gold now. It's become like a new bullish trend, but I'm not sure about that because now is this we're looking for 6th of November, just a brand new of I think the end of this candle. Okay, now the candle is still on the 5th, and I know the cycle, the 5th November will be the swing high cycle. Okay, so it is likely the gold will pull back to 1927 and this place because this is the demand level, and there is a pin bar over here. Let's see what's gonna happen next. So I'm trying to do a counter trend by entering 3 lots for now and put my stop loss over here. This will give me very good risk to reward ratio. I put my take profits over here. Okay, I may want to add another lots later, but this is our trade. 12:38 a.m. Okay, November the 6th. So let's see what's gonna happen next, guys. Alright guys, now it's 12:26 a.m. Gold has made amazing movement. Let me show you. It drops, right? It completely drops. And how much I made? Well, $1,900. It's pretty good. It's still moving up and down, but you know, I put the red line over here. The red line here is the demand level, which is, I guess, the price will continue drop to that level. But now, let me show you closer. The gold has reached external retracement 1.618. Okay, at this moment there is a pin bar. It is likely the gold will going up for a while, so I'm entering 3 lots. I plan to take the profits for now because I need to recover from severe losses. Okay, and if you can see the 15-minute chart, the engulfing candle after the pin bar. So let's take some profits on this. I don't want my profits gone just like that because it's already like 60 pips now, 1800. Okay, so I just close it now. Let me close position. Boom. Okay, let me secure this first. No position at all, and waiting the 15-minute chart going up, and then I'm gonna sell it there near to the EMA, the crossing EMA. If you can see that crossing EMA, so we're waiting for that EMA to be reached, then we sell again. All right. And meanwhile, let me show you, I'm enjoying the beach now. This is Seminyak Beach in Bali. It's very, very nice. This is my last day in Bali. I've been here for 10 days for a holiday while trading. Let me show you. This beautiful place to stay, just in front of the beach like this. So yeah, that's it. At least my capital almost back to 130. I'll find another opportunity on gold because we know that 1928 will be the next target as well. So let's wait until the next rebound and we're gonna sell again in the 15-minute chart. Stand by, guys. All right, guys, so we're back to Jakarta, heading back with Awi here. And surprisingly, we're gonna on board with the A330, the Citylink Indonesia. That's amazing. It's a huge plane for this route. Okay, so let's go in. Let's see. Here we are in Bali International Airport. So let's go on board with A330.
My way back to Jakarta, I was so lucky because I was flying the Airbus A330 from Citylink Indonesia. It is so rare for this route to fly this big jet. So now let's enjoy the flight.
I'll be the part on this plane. I don't know what's gonna happen next, but definitely that will be a very interesting day. Meanwhile, I'm still waiting the gold. I want to make another trade in 30 minutes chart in the gold to recover from my huge losses. But it is what it is. Trading, guys. You never get 100% profits all the time, but at least you know how to recover and take your time. Don't rush, okay? And then, yeah, finally you will make money. Thank you. All right, guys, so we're back to Jakarta now. Just landed. See the big A330 is beautiful airplane. It looks like that gold is suddenly back to 1951. So I don't take any trade. Just waiting. Okay, I'm going back now, but let's see. It's beautiful airplane, right? Okay, so we're going to the bus. See you later. Alright guys, 6:35. As you can see, the gap is closed and I made $3,200. This little shadow here, the price breaks the EMA 90 and the gap is closed. I have to close this manually, but yep, boom, $3,000. In this period, I'm gonna look for another entry opportunity on the gold. So it's very short trade, but profitable.
Alright guys, after amazing drop from gold because of the fast in here, so we tried to do another sell trade. I didn't get any big profits because the gap is closed, as you know. So I only got like 3,300 plus 700, it's about $4,000. That should cover multiple losses previously. And now we believe that the price will go down again. So I'm taking a sell position. This time I put a 7 lots since I believe this upside channel is already mature. There is a lower high and breaks the channel and going down like this. So we plan to put a profits target at 1859 or 1860, which is this like a minor swing low. Okay, so currently is $400, and let's see, hopefully the gold will go down for one more time and give me a better profit this time. Alright guys, doesn't take too long now. 5:59 is only like 1 hour plus. We already made like $4,600. The candle change, let's see. I'm about to close this position. If the price cannot drop even lower, wow, but the price now is drop more, even lower, breaks the 161.8, even lower guys, $5,000 now. Okay, so I think this heading to the Fibonacci 224. So let me set it here. Fibonacci 224 will be the next target price. Okay, but I'm gonna take like 6 of the lots. Is enough for me. Boom. I will leave 1 lot over here and that's the profit runs. So 4,200. As easy as that. Okay.
Alright guys, this is the update, 9 p.m. now. After we sold gold about 8 lots, and amazingly, it's dropped like hell. $14,000 in this Billionaire challenge. Wow. Boom. It's going down like hell. Oh my god. I don't know what happened. I didn't check the news, but it's definitely because the trend is still moving in a bearish pace, right? The huge candle like that. And if you know why we sell gold about 8 lots before, the prices keep moving on the lower high, lower high, and lower high. And now I'm gonna take the profits because it's likely the price is moving to the next support. So let's take it, right? I would close now, $13,000, done. And my balance is 149,000. I'm really happy with this result. Thank you very much, gold. And I will keep you updated in the next Billionaire Challenge episode. So at least in this episode, we finally make the balance to 149. And it's beautiful, amazingly beautiful. And in the next episode, we'll talk about the new analysis of the gold movement, because I will stop trading for now until we get a better picture after the huge drop tonight. There's about 100 pips or more in just like 2 or 3 hours since our last video. Okay, so see you in the next episode.